Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. O you who are closer to me than my own heartbeat, the one who knows the weight of the silence I carry, I come before you today not as one who demands, but as one who surrenders. My soul is a fractured mirror, and my body is a house weathered by the storms of this passing world. O divine physician, you are the one who fashions the marrow in the bone and the pulse in the vein. Look upon this fragile vessel. I am weary, and the shadows of ailment have lengthened across the walls of my spirit. Yet I know that no illness descends without your wisdom, and no cure exists but through your mercy. You are the one who turned the fire of Nimrod into a cool garden for Abraham. I ask you now, O Lord of gentle grace, to turn the fever in my blood and the anxiety in my mind into a sanctuary of peace. O restorer of broken things, reach into the hidden corners of my being. Where there is inflammation, bring your coolness. Where there is a blockage, let your light flow. Where there is a wound that the world cannot see, apply the balm of your presence. O Master of the subtle, you are the one who heals the heart through the very cracks that broke it. My heart is heavy with the dust of the world, the rust of worry, the stain of regret, and the fatigue of constant striving. I ask for the healing of the inward eye, that I may see your hand in my trials and your love in my breath. I invoke you by the secrets hidden in your beautiful names. O healer of those for whom there is no healer. O companion of those who have no companion. O hope of the hopeless. You are the quintessence of mercy. Just as you clothed the prophet Job with health after his long patience, clothe me and all those suffering in the fabric of well-being. Let the remembrance of your name be my medicine. Let the salutations upon your beloved be the fragrance that restores my vitality. For he is the medicine of hearts, the light of sight, and the food of the spirit. Through the resonance of his beauty, I seek the restoration of my own. O Lord of the heavens, if this trial is a guest sent to purify me, give me the strength to host it with grace. But if it has served its purpose, I beg you to lift it. Transform my weakness into strength, my sighs into Alhamdulillah, and my tears into pearls of gratitude. I am but a drop in the ocean of your will. Let me not drown in my despair, but let me float upon the waves of your decree. Heal my body, that I may serve you. Heal my mind, that I may remember you. and heal my soul so that I may find you. You are the only one who can say, be, and it is. I stand at your door, a beggar for your health, waiting for the command of be to wash over my life. Subhana Rabbika, Rabbil Izzati, Amma Yasifun, wa salamun alal mursaleen, walhamdu lillahi Rabbil Alameen. Al-Fatiha. A.